how to make a reel on Instagram. So here we are on Instagram, and the first thing that we'll do is we're gonna tap on the plus button either here on the bottom middle or here on the top left. So we're just gonna tap here on the bottom middle, tap here on the plus button, and from here you want to make sure that you scroll sideways in here at the bottom. It says reel, so you want to make sure that you slide there just like so. So now here we are in the reel, and from here basically we can start by uploading the media that we would want to upload as a reel, may it be photo, video, whatever you want. And basically you can select multiple, as you can see, multiple photos and videos if you want to include them in the reel, and tap on next right here. And then you'd now be able to edit them by selecting specific audios and so on. But I will not be doing that. And then the next thing is that you want to tap here on next. And now you'd be able to add some new text right here. So basically this is your editing process or stage. So as you can see, we have a lot of options at the bottom. We have the text right here. And then the second one would be the sticker. And then you have the audio. So if you want to swap out the audio, add audio, or maybe remove some audio, you can do so by tapping on the audios right here and tapping on discard. And you can also add clips right here. You can add new media if needed. And then you can basically add effects, edit, volume, photo, and so on. There are a lot of options that you can do here in editing your reel. So this is basically the editing process. But what I'm gonna do in here is that I'm gonna make this process much more simpler by utilizing the templates of Instagram Reels. So I'm just simply gonna go back in here. So I'm gonna tap here and tap on the cross button here on the top left. And I'm just gonna go for save draft. And basically, instead of choosing our media in here, we're gonna tap here on templates or made for you. So first, let's go for made for you. In here, you would need to grant access to Instagram that it would access your photos so that it would make reels for you. But I don't really recommend this because the automated reels that they make is not really that good. So I suggest that you just go for templates instead. And here you'd be able to view different templates here that is viral on Instagram, and they are really, really good templates. And all you have to do here is just to upload the footages. For example, I am going to go for this one, the first one right here. And as you can see, you'll be able to see how many footage or media you can upload right here. So first, I'm going to tap here. And as you can see here at the bottom, there are 5 slots. I'm just going to upload 5 of them right here to 5. And tap here on next. And then it is now generating a reel with effects. So in this way, we wouldn't have to do the editing process anymore. All we have to do is just upload our medias. And now you can tap on next here on the bottom right. And then from here, you can also edit this if you have some additional edits that you would want to make, or maybe change the audio by tapping on the audio section right here. And you can modify the audio if you'd want to. But I'm satisfied with this one right here, so I'm just going to tap in here on the right arrow on the top right. And from here, I'm going to tap now on share. And just like that, we have now made a reel on Instagram. So now it is currently posting. And yeah, here it is. So as you can see, we have now successfully made a reel on Instagram, and this is how you do it.